a bad guy base. So I put the bad guys that are dead with new guys. I'll tell you the new guys. That one, it looks like a regular bounty hunter, but it has this face. And he has a tooth gun, and he has black legs. And this guy now. This guy is another made up. He has a yellow feet, one gun, and helmet, face, it's all black. This body's from Boba Fett, so is the straight pack. Okay, so, and then this is the last new guy that I have in this army. No, this is almost the last, but this is second to last. So he has two guns. Have you seen? He's a pilot, but he's mostly a shooting person. Yeah, and then this. He has a backpack with bombs. Let's go to the next new guy. Until this guy stands up. Stand up. This bench is not standable because it doesn't have Lego things. And then let's go into this new guy. That's not a new guy. That's not a new guy. This is a new guy. And he's a Jedi. And this was a firefighter guy. And then he turned the Grievous aside. That's why he has the fire stuff. And then I found that for that. But I'm not going to really have him. I'm just going to have him let him have a stick like Master Yoda. Because I just remembered this was part of the bazooka. I'll put that stick on him. That's his stick. I'll put him back. That's him. These guys are really fallible. So let's go to this guy. This is a new person, and he is really cool because this is the only person that does not have a helmet that's a clone, and I think this might be a new bazooka. This came with that, and then I'll go show you the ship. Daddy, you can just look at them. Finish this because over here got really messed up, so I just made it like that. So I'll show you this inside. Do you see those rockets on both sides? I'll show you how they shoot. I'll do that. Those are two. Do the. So those are two, so I'm going to put this like that. So I close it up. That's weird. Oops, I got to put these in first.
Tica mambre! Tica mambre!
Right here and add it to a Lego on my Lego army. And then let's go to this. This guy is a commando. He's a stormtrooper. He came with something that I haven't. That's not in my army. But that's a new guy too. That could be my army's before. And then, but we're still welcome just this guy. This guy.
Hi, Chewy. How are you? Yeah. This is gonna be a crazy Star Wars video.
I'm naming the Star Wars video diaper. And then I'll show you how this goes apart. So this first, body and head. Put a helmet on, like that. Then I put his legs on. He's like this. You think he's like this, but he needs this on. I think this is a jetpack.
Okay.
I don't know what it is.
Wind it up.
Okay.
Okay,
I
ready?
just gotta do a couple more, guys.
No. Wind it up. It's too long.
No, it's,
Okay.
just a couple more.
Hi, Chewy. How are you today?
This is Chewy, and I couldn't find his bow and arrow, so I just get to poke in the shield.
Where did all those Pez go?
Powers goes together.
Where did all those Pez go? In your tummy? You ate all that? Oh my gosh.
Yeah. This does not come with a head. I'll try to take it off. Pops?
Pops?
Yeah.
I don't know, Kenny. What happened to your
I
eye?
couldn't. But my nose not sort of in there. So let's put that back. And then let's go to this guy. This is a droid, and it's new. And this is, I think, a new droid. This one shoots. I need to get closer to see these stuff. This is not the main eye. That's not an eye. This little blue dot's are the eye. This big dot is the gun.
Okay.
This thing shoots.
That's it.
One more guy.
Say your name. Goodbye.
One more guy. This is also a new guy. He's a pilot. He travels in X-Wing fighters because this. And then he's pretty cool captain. I hope you like it. And also, I'll show the people that came with this set. I'll go get other people.